Good morning to all of you. Today I will do some important problems for friction. Clear? This is problem number 41. The question is two blocks of weight double and double two. This is block double and this is block double two are connected by a flexible cord. Are connected by a flexible cord. This is cord, wire or string. Rests upon horizontal and inclined plane. This is horizontal plane, this is inclined plane. Block 1 stands on horizontal plane, block 2 stands on inclined plane. As shown figure, this is figure. If double one is equal to double 2, this is double 1, this is double 2, both weights are same. And mu same for both blocks. Mu means coefficient of friction. This is mu. This mu also same for 1 and 2. That is weight same, coefficient of friction same. Equal roughness. Find the angle of inclination alpha. This is alpha of the inclined plane at which the motion of the system will impede. Means the system will remain in this condition. Motion of the system impede. That means the block 1, the block 2 remains in this condition. That means the motion of the system will prevent or will oppose. Clear? Now you come to figure. Very important problem for BPD first semester and second semester engineering mechanics. This is subject engineering mechanics. Clear? This problem is very important for first and second sem BPD students. Clear? So try to understand clearly. Now, no force applied to the block. Last class I have done this problem, but a force P is applied to the horizontal block. Here, no force applied. Only the surface can balance. The inclined plane and horizontal plane, they can balance the weight of the two weights. Now, come to figure 2 and 1 both. 2 is connected 1. Block 2 is connected to block 1 by string. So this is tension T in the string. This is tension T in the string. Clear? Now, block 2 try to move downwards. So this is clear. When block 2 move downwards, try to move downwards. Block 1 also move towards left side because block 2 pulls block 1. So friction F1 will towards right side. Clear? This is weight double 1. This is normal action Rn1. This is weight double 2. This is normal action Rn2. Clear? This angle alpha. Now take block 1, take block 2. So what is this angle? This is angle alpha. This is 90 degree. Clear? Normal surface. What is this angle? 90. So this angle 90 minus alpha. What is this angle? Alpha. Clear? So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So what is this force? Double 2 cos alpha. This force double 2 sin alpha. Clear? Double 2. So how many number of force acting on the block 2? Rn2 double 2, F2, and T. Four number of forces. F2 and T both in x-axis, R into y-axis. Now only resolve double 2 along x-axis, along y-axis. Now come to figure 1, block 1. For block 1, this is T, F1, Rn1, double 1. Since mu same for both the blocks, so what is F1 is equal to? What is F1? Mu Rn1. What is F2? Mu Rn2. Clear? Now, first consider block 1, then block 2. Clear? For block 1. For block 1. This is block 1. Clear? This is double 1. This is Rn1. This is T. This is F1. What is F1 is equal to? U Rn1. Clear? Now, this equals this. This equals this. First equals sigma x or y. Sigma y 0. Y is equal to 0. What is Rn1 is equal to? Double 1. Clear? What T is equal to? F1 means mu Rn1. What T is equal to? Mu double 1. Equation 1. T is equal to mu double 1. Now come to block 2. For block 2, T is equal to mu double 1. Clear? Rn2. For block 2, this is block 2, alpha double 2 Rn2. Clear? This is T. Clear? This is F2. What is F2 is equal to? Mu Rn2. This is surface. Now, this is 90 degree. What is this angle? 90. This angle 90 minus alpha. What is this angle? Alpha. Clear? Now, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So double makes alpha with y-axis. So this force W cos alpha, this force W sin alpha. Clear? Now, first make sigma y0. Sigma y0. What is Rn2? Double 2 cos alpha. This is double 2. What is Rn2? Double 2 cos alpha. Clear? Sigma x is 0. What is along x-axis? T is equal to F2. T plus F2 is equal to double 2 sin alpha. Clear? T plus F2 is equal to double 2 sin alpha. So T plus or T is equal to double to sin alpha minus f2. So t is equal to double to sin alpha minus mu rn2. Clear? So t is equal to double to sin alpha minus mu into what is rn2? Double to cos alpha. This is equation 2. What is equation 1? T is equal to mu double n. This is equation 1. Clear? So equation 1 is equal to 2. Equation 1 t mu double n. Equation 2 this is value t. So what is 1? Mu double n is equal to double to sin alpha minus mu double to cos alpha. Given double n is equal to double 2. So this cancels both sides. So mu is equal to sin alpha minus mu cos alpha. So bring mu this side. So mu plus mu cos alpha is equal to sin alpha. Clear? So mu into 1 plus cos alpha is equal to sin alpha. So mu into what is 1 plus cos alpha? 2 cos square alpha by 2. Clear? What is sin alpha? 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Cos cancels each other. 1 cos. 2 cancel each other. So mu into cos alpha by 2 is equal to sin alpha by 2. What is mu is equal to? Tan alpha by 2. Clear? This answer. Or what is alpha by 2 is equal to? Tan inverse mu. Clear? What is alpha is equal to? 2 tan inverse mu. Hala? Anyone can be, you can write answer. This answer, this also answer. Clear? Next question 42. This is very important question. Number 42. Number 42. This is question 42. 42. The question is shown figure. A block of weight double 200 Newton rests on a horizontal surface and support on top of it another block double 2 of weight 50 Newton is attached by string AB as shown figure. Find the magnitude of the force P applied to block 1 to the lower block that is necessary to cause slipping to impend. That means this will not slipping, cause slip. Take the coefficient of pressure mu for both surface is 0.3. Clear? Very important question. Now, first come to figure. This is block 1, block 2. Clear? What is angle? Suppose alpha. This is alpha. Clear? This is alpha. So from figure, what tan alpha? 3/4. Perpendicular by base. So P is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. What is H is equal to? Root over P square plus P square. Root over 3 square plus 4 square. What is H is equal to? 5. Clear? What is sin alpha? 3/5. P by H. What is cos alpha? B by H. 4/5. Our angle is calculated. Not necessary to use calculator. Clear? Now I will show the forces. For block 1, for block 1, for block 1, this is block 1. This is weight W1. Clear? This is force P. So at this contact surface, this is normal action Rn1. Normal surface. So since force is applied towards right side, so the friction towards left side F1. Clear? The force applied towards right, so friction will apply towards left. At this contact surface, where both the blocks are at contact surface, at this point, this is reaction R2. This is reaction R2, Rn2 or Rn2. This is friction F2. Clear? This is for block 1. Rn1, Rn2, F1, F2, this is P. Double weight. For block 2, this is Rn2. Clear? This is F2. This is T. Weight double. Weight is double. Now, clearly take block 1, block 2. For block 1, for block 1, this is block 1, this is weight W, this is Rn1. Clear? Rn1, 9 degree. This is force P, this is force P, this what is F1 is equal to mu into Rn1. Similarly, this Rn2, this force Rn2, this is F2. What is F2 is equal to? What is F2? Mu into Rn2. Clear? Now, how many forces for block 1? This is block 1. This is called block 1. For block 1, P, W1, Rn2, F1, F2, Rn1. Clear? For block 2. For block 2, this is block 2. This is weight W, double 2. Clear? At this point, both blocks remain equilibrium condition. That means for block 2, this Rn2 F2 for block 1, opposite to F2 and Rn2. This Rn2. This is F2. For block 2, this Rn2, this F2, this force is T. Clear? Angle alpha, Rn2, or this force T cos alpha, this force T sin alpha. Now I resolve all the forces along x-axis, along y-axis. Now it cut. Clear? What is the question? Value of P. The question is find the value of P. So first consider block 2. Clear? For block 2, sigma y0, first sigma y0. So T sin alpha plus Rn2 is equal to double 2. Clear? T sin alpha plus Rn2 is equal to double 2. So what is Rn2 is equal to? Or what T sin alpha is equal to? Double 2, or what is Rn2? Find Rn2. What is Rn2 is equal to? Double 2 minus T sin alpha. Clear? This is equation 1. Equation 1. Now making sigma x 0. Sigma x 0. T cos alpha is equal to F2. Clear? T cos alpha is equal to F2. So T cos alpha is equal to, what is F2? Mu Rn2. Put in the value of Rn2 from equation 1. Putting the value of Rn2 in this equation. What is T cos alpha is equal to? Mu into Rn2. What is Rn2? Double 2 minus T sin alpha. Clear? Now T cos alpha is equal to mu double 2 minus mu T sin alpha. Clear? Put double 2 is equal to 50 Newton, sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5, cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5, mu is equal to 0.3, and double R is equal to 1 Newton. This is value. Okay, you put this value. So find the value of T. So bring to this side T cos alpha plus mu T sin alpha is equal to mu double 2. So find out T common, cos alpha plus mu sin alpha is equal to mu double 2. Clear? So what is T into, what is cos alpha? 4 by 5 plus mu 0.3 into 3 by 5 is equal to mu. What is mu? 0.3 into double 2, 50. Clear? Find the value of t. You make calculator and find value of t. Clear? Now come to figure block 1. Use calculator. Find value of t. Put the value of t in this equation. Clear? Now what is Rn2? From equation 1, what is Rn2? From equation 1, what is Rn2? What is Rn2? What is equation 1? Tell me what is equation 1. Equation 1 is Rn2 is equal to double 2 minus t sin alpha. Clear? Rn2 plus t sin double 2. So put in the value of t. This is the value of Rn2. Clear? Now come to figure 1. In figure 1, what is Rn1? Rn1 is equal to double 1 plus Rn2. Rn1 sigma is 0. So Rn1 is equal to double 1 plus Rn2. Clear? So double 1, what is Rn2? Double 2 minus t sin alpha. So find what is Rn1. All values we have. Okay. So find value of Rn1. We have calculated value of Rn2. We have now find out value of Rn1. Clear? Then sigma x 0. In this figure, use calculator and do yourself. So from figure, sigma x is 0. X is equal to 0. What is along x-axis? P mu Rn2 mu Rn1. Clear? Or P is equal to f1 plus f2. Clear? P is equal to f1 plus f2. So P is what is f1? Mu Rn1 plus mu Rn2. So mu into Rn1 plus Rn2. P is equal to. Clear? We have the value of mu. We have calculated the value of Rn1 and Rn2. So you use calculator to find value of P. Clear this answer? A very important question. Next question, 43.